Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Zalie. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video, I've decided to kick it a little bit old school and I'm going to do a how to cream contour video. Back in the day, YouTube was like my holy grail of learning how to do makeup because I had no clue and YouTube taught me. And so when I was thinking this morning, oh, what do I want to film today? I kind of thought I've been really into cream contour this year. I just absolutely love how it looks. I was thinking I'm gonna film that for you guys. So that's what we're doing today, a how to cream contour video. So I've already done my base. So I've gone in with the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And then to fill in my pores, I've gone in with the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. My foundation for the day is the Dior Backstage Foundation. I'm in the shade 1N. And then I've also gone in with concealer. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And then I put a little bit of brow powder through my brows. This is the Benefit Total Taming and Shaping Kit number 2. And then to set the brows, I've gone in with my Givenchy Mr. Brow Groom. Let's just jump straight in. So I wanted to give you guys options from, you know, affordable, middle range, and high end. So for me, I am a big lover of the Chanel Sol de Tan de Chanel Cream Contour. The shade of this is amazing. It blends out beautifully. I've had this forever and like you can see the indentation in there, but a little of this product goes such a long way. Yeah, I really like this, but it is quite high end and a bit pricey. So I wanted to give you guys options. Middle of the range, I've got here, this is the Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Stick in the shade Contour. This came in 3 different shades. There was Contour, Bronze, and then like a lighter one. I can't think of what that was called, but this was also a really good kind of middle of the range. And for an affordable option, I have here, this is new, this is by Essence. Now, I don't know if this product is limited edition or if it's sticking around and being permanent, but this is their bronzing stick. I have 2 shades here. I have 01 Travel Lover, which looks like this, and then I have 02 Travel Makes Me Happy. So 2 shades, and these were so affordable. These were like, I think I paid like maybe $5-6 for these, guys. You don't get a lot of product, but a little goes a long way that it's gonna last such a long time. So my preference is 02. I like the way this one looks on my skin. So to keep it affordable for you guys, I'm gonna go in with this product. Now let's talk about tools. There's 2 tools that I love to use when it comes to cream contour. One of them is a stippling brush. Now this one here is by Real Techniques. It doesn't have a name, so I apologize. I don't actually know what this is called. But this is what a stippling brush looks like if you've never seen one before. I really like this, the way that this disperses the product and how it blends it out. This is probably out of the 2 that I'm about to show you, this is probably my favorite pick, but I prefer to either go in with a brush like this or of course a beauty blender. Now for today's video, I'm gonna go in with this tool here because like I said, this is probably one of my top picks. And yeah, so let's just jump in. So when it first comes to cream contouring, I like to have my base done first. Now I've seen people do it underneath their foundation and then apply foundation over the top. This is just the method of how I like to cream contour. What you need to do when you're looking to cream contour is pretty much identify where the hollow of your cheek is. So I can feel my cheekbone just here. And then if I kind of like use my finger, I can feel where the hollowness is and then where the bone is. So I'm looking for the hollowness that's just right underneath the cheekbone. Now the whole idea of cream contour is to create shadows and really sculpt out the face. Now, you can do everything from cheekbones, temples, nose, under the jawline. It really just depends, and every face shape is going to be contoured differently. So please take in mind that the way that I'm cream contouring is for my face shape and the look that I desire, but you definitely can do cream contours in so many different ways to really help sculpt that face out, depending on the look that you're after. So like I said, a little of this product goes such a long way, and I am using the shade 02. What I like to do is find that hollowness underneath my cheekbone, and sometimes tucking in the face can help do that. Sorry guys, that was the wrong shade. This is 02. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over that. And you just need a little bit of product. A little goes a long way. Now what I like to do is I get my brush and I push the product upwards. I don't want to drag it down. I want to take it upwards. I'm just like kind of stamping and then doing little strokes upwards as well. And I'm taking it right back into the hairline, but I'm not bringing it too far forward. I'm kind of stopping where my cheekbone starts. So I'm not bringing it in this area here. And the thing that I love about this product is it just blends out so easily. For such an affordable product, I'm actually really impressed with this. I've been gravitating towards this Essence stick more than any of my other cream contour products recently. Look at that. It's just completely blended. This is such a beautiful product. Now, if you ever accidentally take your cream contour too low, something that I like to do is I just I applied my foundation with my beauty blender today, so whatever tool you use to apply your foundation, and you can just tap underneath just nice and lightly, just to kind of take away any little messiness and just sharpen up that cream contour. And you can see the difference. Me looking face on right now into the camera, you can see which side has been contoured and which side hasn't. It just elevates that cheekbone a little more, makes the face look a lot more sculpted. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And once again, pushing that product up and not dragging it down and just stamping it into the skin. Another thing that I really like about this cream contour product, some cream contours will lift your foundation. This one doesn't. It doesn't move the foundation underneath it. It just blends in with it. And that all the 3 products that I've recommended do that. So if you are looking for a cream contour product, I feel like I've recommended something for everybody, no matter what your price preference is. So much better already. I don't look flat like a pancake. Now, for myself, I also like to contour my forehead. So I've just got a little bit of that product just on either side. I just feel like it balances it out. If you have a larger forehead, this can definitely help make your forehead look smaller. I don't do it because I feel like I have a large forehead. I just think it makes everything look more well-rounded and balanced by having the cream contour in another area of my face and not just around my cheeks. But like I said, every face shape is different, so cream contour will be just personal preference to what you like. And with this motion, I'm just stamping it in and kind of pulling it down a little bit, and also making sure I'm getting right there in the hairline so it looks as natural as possible. Now, if you're not really happy with your jawline, you can take it under the jaw to sharpen that whole area up. You can cream contour underneath your lips to help make your lips appear more plump. If you're unhappy with your nose, you can definitely cream contour the nose area and define the nose a little bit more. On a day-to-day basis, I just do underneath my cheeks and on my temples, and then I'm done. And that's how I'm gonna leave it for today, because this is how I do it at home. This is my day-to-day. This is how I cream contour, so I wanted to keep it realistic for you guys. And of course, you can do all those other steps if you'd like, but for a basic cream contour, this is definitely how I like to do it. Now we have to set our cream contour, of course. I haven't set my face at all. So I just want to talk about some products when it comes to setting. Something like this palette here that I have now, this is by Napoleon Perdis. Something like this can be great for setting your cream contour because it comes with so many shades. So you've got highlights here up the top, you've got products to set the face or banana products to lighten underneath the eye area, and then we've got 3 different contour shades. So something like this can be really, really good. You don't always have to set your contour, but I feel like if you want longevity, setting your face will definitely help with that. So a product like this, or for an affordable option, this is not a palette, but this is also a really nice color. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is really, really nice, not too cool, not too warm. So that one's a good option. And something a little bit more high-end, a product that I love. This is a palette by Charlotte Tilbury, the Film Star Bronze and Glow. This highlighter just here is, this contour just here as well is really, really stunning. This is probably one of my favorites. So yeah, so I've just applied some cream blush. I just used a product by Jane Ardell, a lip and cheek stain, and I've just applied that with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to quickly set underneath my eyes and then set my contour, and yeah, that's it. It's super simple. Contouring can seem a little bit intimidating and hard at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually super easy to do and not very time consuming depending on how much contour you're actually doing. So to set underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier. This is a secret brightening powder, and I'm just going to take it on this brush here. This is I don't know because the name has rubbed off on it. I think this is a Morphe brush. I think this is part of their rose gold collection. So I'm just going to take some of that powder out of the lid, and right before I do that, I'm just going to take the sponge that I applied my concealer with and just make sure there's no creasing. I'm just going to tap that underneath the eye. I don't always set my face completely, but I definitely always set underneath the eye because my concealer always creases, and I always set my cream products, like I will always set my contour, and I'll always kind of set my blush or something just to help with the longevity. And I'll just bring that down the T-zone. And to also bring just a tad more brightness to the area, I'm just going to go in with the KKW brightening powder in shade 1. I love this product, but I absolutely hate the packaging because it's so hard to get into. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I'm just going to go over everything that I've went before, just to help brighten that area. Okay, so to set the cream contour today, I am going to go back in with my Charlotte Tilbury palette, and I'm going to pick up this brush. This one is by Napoleon. It actually come in that face contour set. So I'm just going to get some of that product on my brush, tap off any excess, and I'm just going to pat over the top of that because I don't want to darken it too much or anything. I just want to make sure it's set and just add a touch more depth to it. And then of course the temples. And now to highlight the face, I actually saw Jaclyn Hill do this trick just recently, and I tried it and I absolutely love it. So this is the powder by Lancome. This is the Absolute powder. Mine is in the shade Absolute Peach, I think it's pronounced. So this is a face setting powder. What Jaclyn done was she just got some of the product and used it just as a highlighter. So this is a glowy powder, and it actually looks so stunning. So I'm just going to get some of that on my Morphe M501 brush, and I'm going to highlight. I usually use this powder to set my face, but I absolutely love the glow that it gives on its own. It's quite natural and not too overpowering, but you can kind of see that beautiful glow. Then to top it all off, I'm going to go in with my Vitamin Nectar Glow Water by Fresh. And that's it, guys. So super simple, super easy. I wanted to keep it very basic. I'm really targeting this video at people who are just learning. And yeah, so I hope you've gotten something out of this video. Like I said, absolutely love cream contour, and I wanted to show you guys what I do, especially just on the day-to-day basis. Like if I was going out, if I had a special event to go to, I would probably really go to town. I would do the jaw, do the nose, do everything, but I don't do that on a day-to-day, and I don't think most people do. So I wanted to just keep it simple, recommend a few products that I absolutely love, and show you guys the technique that I like to use when it comes to cream contour. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.